guys, what's up? Oh, my glasses are like, maybe without. Okay. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing. I swear I have other content coming soon, but this showed up today and I was so excited. So here we are with an unboxing, an Otaku unboxing, a little different than the normal fashion stuff. So recently, if you follow my manga account, I started one. It's got all of like my manga recommendations and my favorite figures and basically where I just weeb out. You would know that I have ordered quite a few Nendroids. Now, Nendroids are like the super cute chibi version of action figures. I have my little Todoroki over here. I have my Todoroki Nendroid up there as well. He's in bed right now because he is my most precious, and of course I made him a little bed. Anyways, I found this company called Hobby. They are based in Canada and they partnered with Good Smile Company, so I was like, okay, I'll give them a shot, and if I waste all my money and they're not legit, then, well, it's a learning experience. So that is what I'm reviewing for you guys today. I found some Nendroids that I liked from them. I'm really hoping they're legit because I still have 3 on pre-order, but here we are. This is what it looks like. So this is their cute little avatar. Ooh, it's really cute. It looks like a little bee character. So the box is a nice size. I'm unboxing 3 Nendroids for you guys today, so I'm very excited. Let's open this up. I'm so excited. I'm like, the box looks really nice, so obviously it was taken care of. I'm so excited. I'm like, anyone who's seen Kaguya-sama Love is War, Kaguya's Nendroid is like sold out everywhere. She had them in stock, so, oh, this is so cute. Okay, so when you order from Hobby, this is what your package might look like when you open it up. I'm gonna pick whatever I just dropped up first. All right, so this is Hobby Canada. What is this? So these are all the companies that they are partnered with. I wanna know what this is. Are these just like little tissues? Proud of you. That's so cute. This is a little tissue packet. That's adorable. Oh my gosh. That could be for multiple things. You know what I mean. Those of you who know, you know. Anyways, so we have the little thank you note. So it says, thank you for shopping with us. Share a review or video on social media to, oh, I get points if I do that. How exciting. I'm definitely gonna do that because if this is legit, it came so fast. So, okay, this is my order slip, so, wait, these are legit! Oh my gosh, guys, okay, y'all need to go shop there, especially my Canadian pals. Go shop, go shop! I'm so excited. Okay, so, I'm making so much noise with the bubble wrap. Let's start off with Kaguya-sama. Okay, for one, okay, they're nicely packaged in there, so I'm really happy about that. Ugh. Neko Kaguya! Why is this so difficult? Okay, I got rid of the box, but like, these are still... Here we are! Oh my gosh! She's so cute! This is the Nendroid. This is legit! Too legit to quit! I am so excited. Look how cute she is. I mean, like, you can't even see she's not built yet, but I'm like, I'm so excited. I was so scared that this was gonna be like a scam. It's so nerve-wracking buying from a new site. I'm sure a lot of you know that. This is so cute. I also have Chika and Shirogane on order, so like, I'm very excited to have the whole little trio in a sec, but like, we'll take her out of the box in a hot minute. But let's go over the other 2. So, I might have hinted about something in my manga video. I'm a Fujoshi. If any of you have ever seen Junju Romantica, you know these characters. You know these characters. So I got Akihiko Usami, or Usagi-san. Love. And of course, the sweet boyfriend, Misaki. I'm so happy. Okay, it is so hard to find these Nendroids and they are ridiculously priced on eBay. So like, very happy about these little cuties. They are legit. I'm so happy that they're like legit Nendroids. I was so scared. I've probably like mentioned that a few times now in this video, but like, I'm so happy! I'm gonna have to message one of the people on my manga account because they were actually looking for Kaguya specifically, and it's legit, and she won't have to pay stupid scalper prices, so like, yay! That's exciting, but I'm gonna quickly unbox these guys for you. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I know it was another unboxing one, and I know it was short, and I know it was quick, but I unfortunately have more unboxing videos coming your way. They will be more sprawled out though. There will be fashion content within that, but I just had to open this box up because I was so excited that it arrived and I wanted to make sure it was legit just in case, you know, I needed to return it and get my money back. I'm so happy to say that it is legit. Hobby Bee freaking shipped so quickly. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I can't wait for my pre-orders to come in that I ordered from them. So I will leave the link in the description below so you can check out their website, and they also have a Facebook, so make sure you check that out. But yeah, that is all for this video. I am sweating because I'm super excited. I love you guys a lot, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!